Okay, chapter 28, day 1, video 1, supplemental video. I just want to cover the, talking about the linear motion. We use the steering system, converts rotational motion that you put into the steering wheel into a linear motion, and how this steer axle is using that linear motion to turn the tires. So we've got the drag link attaches to the steering arm here, and it's going to be moving in linear motion. So front, moving back and forth this way. So as we move back, we're going to watch this tire turn. So I'm going to pull back on it, and here, the driver's side, I'm making a right turn. I got a hard right turn there, right? Linear motion, pulling it this way, all right? I've got that linear motion, pushing it this way, pulling it this way. I'm coming back to straight ahead, all right? More motion, and I'm making a left turn, right? So we're using that linear motion here at the steer axle. It's converting it to a rotational motion at the steering knuckle, right? So we've got linear motion, rotational motions, that. So that's what I'm talking about on that. The last thing I want to talk about, the supplemental on this one, is a solid I-beam axle, okay? So what we mean about that is from wheel to wheel here, spindle to spindle, knuckle to knuckle, is a solid connection or a solid beam that attaches them. And if we see the structure of that, it represents like the letter I, an I-beam axle, solid I-beam axle, as opposed to independent suspension like we'd have on light-duty trucks and automobiles.